I'm Tsukasa Hasegawa, COO at Melon Technologies Inc. We are engaged in a facial recognition with a solid advantage in accuracy and liveness detection. As a result, clients can introduce our products at a reasonable cost in short time in B2C applications. Thing is, how to solve the pain points of the clients, including financial fraud.
Your 7-minute pitch begins right now.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Tsukasa Hasegawa, co-founder and COO at Melon Technologies Inc. Today, I would very much like to talk about our AI facial recognition solutions for online financial transactions. We have 3 solid competitive advantages with which we like to realize our management philosophy. First, over 20 years, sophisticated business solutions to large corporate clients through our parent company, RDWorks. Second, skilled engineers with world-class level technologies and global mindset. Third, facial recognition engine by Saffe Limited with accuracy and liveness detection. Last December, Melon Technologies Inc. spun out from RDWorks, which is a business consulting firm and our major shareholder. Mr. Hideki Saito, as CEO, is driving our businesses based on his prominent career as a business consultant and CEO of RDWorks for more than 20 years. Providing sophisticated business solution is a first core advantage in our company. Second core is the world-class software solutions provided by skilled engineers. We are very much proud of our 4 skilled engineers from outside Japan who have outstanding track records in their IT engineering careers. They enable clients to settle their business challenges and enjoy the benefit of optimal system solutions. At the same time, they give us the possibility to access to the global market. Safe liveness detection against software-based presentation attack. Sorry about that. In terms of third advantage, Saffe Limited is an IT company with expertise in facial recognition solutions headquartered in UK. It also has a prominent track record of some awards and rankings such as IEEE and NIST. Safe liveness detection against software-based presentation attack has been evaluated as #1 in the world by NIST last September. It means our products are able to defeat deepfake. Our technologies suited to online financial transactions to stop fraud. Our liveness detection has evolved through machine deep learning. Hence, you do not have to replace a system nor to update the software to avoid new ways of fraudulent attack as well. We are also proud of the world-class accuracy of facial recognition, which has been also proven by NIST. Our technologies also bring additional 2 benefits to you. First, authentication time gets faster. In the past case, our authentication time was 6 times faster than that of competitors. Second, you may save hardware costs since you do not have to prepare high-spec or expensive devices such as 3D cameras. Safe technologies are applicable to various uses flexibly, such as settlement, internet banking, and eKYC. Furthermore, our system can be introduced easily, cheaply, and in a short time with only customization of application in the existing system or devices. That's why our system is suitable not only for B2B applications, but also for B2C ones, such as home security, residential access controls, and individual financial transactions. Let me show you the case for eKYC. on the financial transaction in Brazil. Model Mice, major Brazilian online bank, utilize our software for bank account openings and financial transaction on their internet banking platform. The number of users is more than 2.5 million. Now, I'd like to show you the demonstration on the payment of bus fare. As you can see, our authentication time is really fast, so I believe passengers do not feel stressed at all when they use it. Move on to next case. In Nagano, Toyama, and Madrid in Spain. Oh, sorry about that. The last case, as one of 5 vendors, ID number card readers loading our software has got approval for sale by Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare since May 2022. This is a proof for the quality of our software. Thanks to our 3 core advantages, our facial recognition solutions are different from others naturally in the market. From the beginning, our software has been designed to be used on the mobile phone and tablet. So our facial recognition solutions and system could help you ensure safe online financial transaction. We always open the door for a collaboration and fundraising. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you. That was Mr. Tsukasa Hasegawa, Senior Executive Director and COO of Melon Technologies Incorporated.